Hey guys, let the fun begin. Toyota 4Runner, digital cluster, odometer. We've been working on this more than probably a year now. We have in possession 4 units, 4 digital clusters installed in the 4Runners in North America. The reason why this is not out yet is because, as I mentioned in one of my group's posts, is that I do care about you and your hard-earned money. I don't want you to spend your money just like that and then have to deal with the kinks and issues and software updates and settings like the competitor did. They gave like $200 off, and everybody had to figure out how to set it up, to install it. It's not cheap. It's not a must, but it's a nice cluster. You can use the money elsewhere, definitely. It's not one of the essential upgrades, but it's a really nice cluster, digital cluster. It's plug and play, one harness. This is the USB upgrade cable, plugs there, and then you can route it down. 4 screws, and it's easy plug and play cluster. So I can't hide it anymore. There you go. I'm making this video so that a lot of you are waiting, contacting me. When is it gonna be out? Well, when the kinks are worked, when we give it a go, we figure out all the settings, North Americanize it, then we will release it to the public. Maybe before Christmas, maybe on Christmas Day, as a present. But I mean, I'm not gonna release it before everything is worked out. So thumbs up, please like the video, share it, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the coming videos. There's a steering wheel, there's the updated version T10, there's this cluster install. I just released yesterday this voltage booster. Check my videos. I truly appreciate all the help. Because of you, I've been able to do all these videos and get all those parts. So again, thumbs up, subscribe. Thanks for all the support. Thank you guys.